living it up, living it right, living each day one day at a time. Ain't making no worry no bigger than it is when it isn't. Yeah, I'm thinking I wanna wake up and do it for the love. Glass that full, wanna fill the rest up. Gonna take a sweet sip of whatever life's fixing. It's a good day for living. Got a cool tattoo of Rosie the Riveter. If there's a good time, good chance she's in it first. Any day that I get to kissing her's a good day for living. We sneak into a motel pool at 4 a.m. and every time she smiles I say amen. One hell of a good staycation. It's a good day for living. Living it up, living it right, living each day one day at a time. Ain't making no